Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Open Windows Update Service. Startup type is automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Upgrade this PC now. Click Accept. Select Install Windows 10 Pro and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.